Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today our discussing topic is the benefits and side effects of chocolate cake. So friends, let's start. Everybody like bakery products, but mostly the bakery products that is liked by the people is cake. Chocolate cake is one of the favorite cakes, and maybe that is favorite of others too. Most of the time we eat things that are not beneficial for our health, and we are aware of the cons of those things, but still, we take them like fast food, etc. But luckily, here science is with our side. But why is chocolate thus helpful to the health? One of the explanations is as a result of it contains flavonoids that are mostly found in plant-based foods and they are obtainable in high quantities within the cocoa beans. What are the benefits of chocolate cake? It is good for our heart and circulation of blood. Consumption of chocolate lowers the risk of strokes. It contains minerals like selenium, potassium, zinc that are good for our health. Cocoa has a plus point that it increases the level of cholesterol that is good for health and reduces the level of cholesterol, which is not beneficial LDL. Dark chocolate contains flavonols, which can protect our skin from sun damage. It can help you to lose your weight. According to research, pregnant women should eat chocolate cake because it reduces the level of stress and the babies of those parents who used to eat chocolate cakes are more smiling than those whose parents not used chocolate cakes. Chocolate cake can improve your memory. It is good for a brain to be healthy. Chocolate has methamphetamine, which is the same chemical that our brain produces when we feel like we are falling in love. It encourages our brain to release good endorphins. It makes us feel better. Chocolate cake is not only good for our brain, it is also good for our heart and soul. Therefore, enjoy this blessing. Consequences of eating chocolates, what are they? Why is chocolate is bad for you? What are the consequences of eating chocolates? Chocolate receives a lot of bad press because of its high fat and sugar content. Its consumption could be associated with acne, obesity, high blood pressure, coronary artery disease, and diabetes. Keep in mind that cocoa contains caffeine and related chemicals. Eating large amounts might cause caffeine-related side effects such as nervousness, increased urination, sleeplessness, and a fast heartbeat. Cocoa can cause allergic skin reactions, constipation and might trigger migraine headaches. What happens if you eat chocolate every day? Chocolate receives a lot of bad press because of its high fat and sugar content. Its consumption could be associated with acne, obesity, high blood pressure, coronary artery disease, and diabetes. Is chocolate good for the body? Chocolate's reputation is on the rise, as a growing number of studies suggest that it can be a heart-healthy choice. Chocolate and its main ingredient, cocoa, appear to reduce risk factors for heart disease. Flavonols in cocoa beans have antioxidant effects that reduce cell damage implicated in heart disease. What are the side effects of eating chocolate? Keep in mind that cocoa contains caffeine and related chemicals. Eating large amounts might cause caffeine-related side effects such as nervousness, increased urination, sleeplessness, and a fast heartbeat. Cocoa can cause allergic skin reactions, constipation and might trigger migraine headaches. Does chocolate make you fat? Also, chocolate is high in sugar and saturated fat. It is a high-energy, high-calorie food. Too much can result in excess weight, a risk factor for cardiovascular disease. How much chocolate can I eat a day? Experts say the recommended dose is approximately 1 to 2 ounces or 30 to 60 g. Indulge in anything more than that, and you may be consuming too many calories. A 1.45 ounce 41 gram Hershey's Special Dark Chocolate Bar has 190 calories. In comparison, if you ate a medium-sized raw apple, you'd only take in 95 calories. Can dark chocolate make you fat? Dark chocolate is high in calories and fat, contributing to weight gain if consumed in excess. Some types also contain high amounts of added sugar, increasing the calorie count and contributing to chronic disease. So friends, that's all for today's video. See you in the next one. Thank you.